Radio. So basically today it's time to have a look at the 206 and we'll see putting the car outside. Here comes Lee Boy to give it a jump start.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Same 90.
Now it's running a bit rough because the old cool packs are This is a full strip down at the front now. So me and Lee Boy stripped it down. I wanted to see if there was going to be any crash damage at the front of this after the young lad spanked into a curb and wrote off the wheels and half the suspension. No crash damage, nothing at all, which is fucking awesome. Saves a lot of work. Had a little issue starting it, didn't we, Lee?
No issue at all.
Coil pack was loose. We'll just say we'll just say the coil pack was loose, and so yeah, all up. Took us a couple of hours to get the bumper, the lights, have a good look around the front of it, and start it. But tighten the coil pack up. There's no problems there, and seems to be running all right. I think an oil change will do it well. Coolant change, and a new air filter. And we've got to realign the exhaust, but today I'm going to run down Halfords and get a shitload of 20mm fuses, and my mate here is going to have a look at the stereo, and fingers crossed today we'll have noise inside the car, whether it's Lee screaming or the stereo playing.
Probably me screaming. Definitely.
But we'll leave it there, and I'll bring you what I can when I can, because you know how it goes. It's hard to do two things at once. Okay, so Lee is removing the back seats here just to get into this mess. What he's going to do, he's going to check it all over, make sure there's no problems, then we'll tidy it up, no fire risks, and then basically we should have a bit of magic. Fingers crossed.
From what I can tell, I connected to lights.
Right, this weekend has been such a productive weekend. Really happy. So we've managed to get the back end of the stereo working, which is mainly thanks to Lee. The problem with it is this amp, the light's not the best, it's getting dark, but this amp, yeah, the amp that sat in the footwell is blown, so we can't get no power to the front of the car. So it's going to be a case of shelling out 80 quid for another one, which isn't too bad considering the rest of the stereo is working. Lee Boy?
Yeah, boy.
What else have we done? Got a problem with the airbag lights and the ABS. Checked all the fuses. That's a job for next week. But the main thing is there's no crash damage and the stereo is working. But yeah, that's it for now. Okay, the new amp has arrived, and as you can see, Lee is wiring it up.
All it takes is one kink in the armour and the whole fucking lot goes down.
Now there is no front driver's speakers because the wire has gone all brittle, so we're going to have to replace the front driver's speaker wire next week. And we should have a full working stereo then.
Are you serious?
Rightio, welcome back. Where are we going to start, Lee?
At the end.
Well, we'll start at the beginning. So, bad news for Nicole. So, I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Right, so basically what's happened is the UCH, or the BCM, whatever you want to call it, is not letting us use the lights, the central lock-in, any of the interior electrics. Yeah, pretty much. Nicole is on hold until we get that back. Also, Lee purchased the exhaust, which has arrived. So, yeah, we're just waiting on the BCM. Rightio, so yeah, today's going to be a bit different. We're off to Melik and Ness's, and Melik has come across something quite special, well, special to us. It might be to you guys as well. So we're going to take the trip up from Kent to Melik's. It's about an hour and a half, and yeah, we'll show you what we got. So we're going to have a cheeky breakfast after I've waited for Lee to get ready, and yeah, we'll crack on with it. Right, we have arrived at Melik's lockup. So in there's a load of moulds. I'm going to go through them all, see what we got. Most probably make a few, right? What do you reckon, mate?
Yeah.
Make a few.
And pokes. So I thought they thought.
Yeah, because they put this way got an intercooler at the top, isn't it? And I was wondering if. And then it's even got that you could cut out and have a proper grill, or even leave it in and completely change the look of it.
RX-7 FD stuff in there. 306 Saxo Porsche and Nova. And all the volume pens.
A million M3.
Oh, a million. That's
No,
already done.
No, that's
already
a made
done.
one.
The roof scoop.
Oh, I will take that and sell that.
So much stuff in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Totally unbelievable.
So in there, there's Corsa B bumpers, front bumpers, yeah?
Yes, two
There's-
different ones, I think.
Yeah, Saxo, with like 2 or 3.
Yeah, I think so.
RX-7 FD boot, wings, and doors.
Possibly skirts.
Yeah. So that's the Saxo bumper to the mould, obviously. Up here, isn't there, to go through. It's going to take a little while to organise and try and make them, so yeah, it's a bit overwhelming, isn't it, really? Really overwhelming. What are you doing there, taking that one out, see if it will come out?
Well, we
Unknown arches as well. Another. There's just so much stuff in there. And I got the same time.
How many bucks do you think you're taking so much stuff?
There is some.
Try and find out what you've got.
Also, there's 106 side skirts there.
One of these accessories.
But I'm going to leave it there because it's overwhelming at the moment. Like a kid in a sweet shop. Well, all three of us are. So,